Question 6. Use the data book to help you answer this question because you're going to have to draw some amino acids. The question about amino acids and peptide-amide links. So a peptide link or an amide link is a CO, C double bond O and an NH. We'll have a look at that more in a minute. Draw the zwitterine formed by phenylalanine. So we need to draw phenylalanine to start off with from the data book. A zwitterine loses an H plus from the COOH. So if that loses an H, it becomes COO, and if it loses an H plus, it becomes COO minus. So that end becomes COO minus, and the H plus joins on at this end. So instead of it becoming NH2, it's now become NH3 with a plus, and the plus is on the N. So it'll look like that. You can just draw this end if you want as COO minus, rather than drawing it out as a full displayed formula. Draw the structure of serine at high pH. Well, let's have a look what serine is. Serine is this. Now, low pH is acids, so acids would add or donate H pluses, and they go on this end, on this NH2, and make NH3 plus. But at high pH, that's base or alkali. Now, base or alkali accept H pluses, so a base high pH is going to accept H pluses, it's going to take H pluses off this, and it's going to take an H plus off here, and it's going to form COO minus instead of COOH. Draw the structures of both peptides formed when phenylalanine reacts with serine. So let's have a look what phenylalanine is. It's that, straight from the data book. Let's have a look what serine is. Now we can look here. A carboxylic acid group and an amine group react to make water. The H and the OH of the carboxylic acid group react with one of the H's of the NH2, and it leaves behind CONH, and that's the peptide link that's going to form. Let's have a look. Let's take off the OH and the H. So I've now taken off the OH off the COH, and I've taken off one of the H's here, and all I do is join the two up. If I now join the two up, I have now made one of the two dipeptide. A dipeptide is two amino acids joined together, and this here, my CONH, is my peptide or my amide link. Right, what happens if they're the other way around? Well, let's draw them, the serine on the left and the phenylalanine on the right. Well, the same thing can happen here, this way around as well. The OH of the carboxylic acid group now and the serine can react with an H off the NH2 group, the amine group of the phenylalanine. Let's remove those two now. There we go. We've removed them now. And now we just draw a line between the two. And we've made another dipeptide with another peptide link.